So enhancing your JPEG photo with Photoshop, obviously because JPEG photos are not like a raw image, they are compressed and they are not easy to enhance them. I've got a couple of techniques. Today I'm going to share it with you guys and you can follow on and learn some new technique. I took this image this morning from Darling Harbour in Sydney, Australia with my iPhone, and I'll show you how to do it. You go to the image, you go to adjustment, and then go for hue saturation. In here, I'm going to add only saturation, and you will see how your image is changed. As you can see, we got a lot of artifacts in your image, and what we don't want to see that kind of artifact in here. I'll cancel this image, and you need to duplicate or copy your background. You go to your layer plate, and by pressing Command J or by drag your image to the new layer icons at the bottoms and make copy of your background. Next, I'll go up right here to the filter, noise, median. So what is median filter? The median gives you a little bit of control and allows you to smooth everything out of your image. And when you apply this filter, you don't see any more artifact on your image. So we are on median filter right now. The only things you need to do is just add the value for the radius. The radius number or the value, it depends on the compression of your JPEG. If you have very high compression of the JPEG, the value of the radius is going to be higher. For this image, I would say 20 is enough. If you have a very high compression JPEG, you need to go for the higher value. Click OK, and then go to up here, image, adjustment, and then go for hue and saturation filter. I can saturate the image and I don't see any more annoying artifact in here. I will add the value for my saturation. I'll put the 50, should be okay for my image, but this depends on your image as well. You can experiment different value for your saturation as well. As you can see, the image is so smooth and there is no artifact. Click OK. I know you can't see anything yet, just be patient and bear with me. And now, right here to the layers palette, and then go to layer blending mode menu, and then just all the way down there and select color. Here we go, we're just blending the color, and that's it. That's how we enhance badly compressed JPEG photo in Photoshop, and it still has a great and decent quality. Check it out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the first part of this tutorial. Before we start for the next lesson, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and let's get started part 2 of this lesson. And also, if you haven't checked my other videos of this channel yet, please make sure you check my other video as well. In our upcoming lesson, the next lesson, I will show you the simplest way to enhance your photo again, but this time we use only hue saturation technique. So you open your image in Photoshop, and then as you can see, the skin tone and in general the image is not enhanced. What you need to do to enhance your image again, you guys need to copy of your background by Command J or drag to your new layers, and then you can go to the image. You go to image and then hue saturation filter, and then you can add some saturation. I'll put the saturation on plus 43 and the hue minus 12. Take some hue from your image and then click OK, and you can see the image after and before image. It's big difference. You can see the skin tone and your image is enhanced. It's so easy. We go for the next project. Next project is the landscape shooting, and as you can see, the image needs to be enhanced as well. Same techniques, same rules. Duplicate your image, and then you go for adding saturation to your image. I'll add plus 37 and the hue is minus 17, and then click OK. Voila, look at the image, so nice. It looks like day and night. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So guys, this is your turn. If you know any other techniques to enhancing your photo, leave it on comment. Thanks again for watching my video. Be positive and have a good day. Bye.